Welcome back to Samsung Galaxy Tab, The Pitch. Now, every contestant here has a pitch, but behind that pitch, they also have a story. And that story is invariably about ambition, of sacrifice, of hard work, and hope. And today, they are going to step out of their comfort zones and try and sell their precious ideas to the world.
I'm a struggling entrepreneur. I started on the internet from zero. I had nothing.
Are you just out of college?
I was struggling. I was working in a call center. I got the money. I got some money. I took a computer, a desktop. I started on the web. Started searching for work from home jobs because I want to design my life. I want to be balanced 360 degrees. I want to design, have a balance.
Continue doing what you're doing. You're doing a great job. Okay. That's what. Okay. All the best. All the best for you.
No, I want to open the universe.
Yeah, good for you, man. All the best.
Good for you.
All the best.
I want to open the minds and the souls and actually destroy the negativity.
I made my first sale when I was 3 years old. I'm in the Limca Book of Records. I represented India at many global competitions. One of the very interesting competition is Your Big Year, which is happening in 2012 March as well. All of these are interesting achievements and they have helped me learn, develop as a person and to be able to continue to shine in the future as well.
I personally have 27 years of experience in the industry. We have held very senior positions from MD positions to CMD positions to CEO, head of vertical industry, etc. In very large marquee companies across multiple continents. Companies like Netscape, companies like AT&T Bell Labs, companies like Vodafone, companies like Airtel. I recently resigned from my position as an MD for a very large company to pursue this. So that's how much I believe in this.
Thousands of artists just fade away due to lack of access or wherewithal. Me, for example, okay, I used to be a part of a rock band and we just played our last show 2 weeks back because we just finally decided that, it's not enough to put food on the table. So we came up with this idea to start a social networking website.
And prior to this, I founded a web development company in 2003 named India Intellect actually. At present, we are doing developing a ERP product for rural market called Rural ERP. So it comprises various components like CRM, SCM, PLM, then product lifecycle management, point of sale, financial management and quality management kind of thing.
My investor backed out due to the recession issue. So now I need money to basically complete and...
Where is your customer who's paying you $1,000?
10 customers are in Israel for departmental store. One fashion bar restaurant is in Israel. There is one...
It's not in India?
No, not in India, but in Pune. When I went to the crisis, I started looking out for options and I went to some of the restaurants in Pune I usually go to, and I have listed down around 15 restaurants who have shown interest, and hopefully I'll be installing 5 deployments to these restaurants in Pune, and we'll basically target small restaurants, and for 6 months we'll give the product free for them and we'll charge $150 basically the maintenance cost.
I'm doing my final year of MBA from Valenka Institute.
Do you go to TechCrunch a lot? No? You have been to TechCrunch?
No.
It's a good pitch. If you've not been there and you've done this on your own, it's a great pitch. Of course, I think it's a great idea.
An idea left unexecuted remains an illusion. Mumbai Angels is a forum where ideas are absorbed, improved, and then given wings.
One of the biggest ideas that we have funded is a company called Mkhoj, now called InMobi. We funded it in 2007 and it has become one of the largest mobile advertising companies in the world. Mumbai Angels is a peer-to-peer network which identifies, invests and supports a startup. We are a non-profit platform as such, but we invest in ideas directly as shareholders. The basic idea is to look for teams that are excellent, and they should have obviously a decent idea and should be with a very less capital relative to the other core industries. They should be able to scale at a very high level.
And so the scene is set. The curtain is raised and the contestants primed to make their pitch in their quest to be a part of the final 10. Their task, to win the jury's confidence by making the perfect pitch.
Before we get into the full-fledged audition series next week, we have captured our contestants in different moods, some nervous, some confident, some relaxed, but all ready to face the judges. A lot of stories are already written on their faces.
My chances would be completely a perception of how the judges try and understand the concept.
Ideas are all good, but the problem is who can execute it to the next level. Hopefully, I'll be one of them.
There are so many good ideas around here during the pitch. So it's obviously going to be very tough competition.
I am confident that I will be in one of the 10. So I'm hoping that.
I'm not sure whether I'm in red or in black. Best of luck for me.
I think I have fair chances. Not too good, not bad either.
Finally, I feel that there is some little chances that I'll get selected.
I definitely take it with a positive spirit.
It was very good or very bad. It was totally 50-50 sort of thing.
Lots of questions were fired and I was not able to properly answer each and every of them. But I really hope that judges were able to understand my idea at least. And I really hope that I would be selected.
One of the judges told me he was very impressed that I'm only 19.
My views were different, judges' views were different. There might be, you can say, opposition in that kind of thing in which I got a backfire. But let's see.
The judges as expected were critical. But as I said, मेरा business है, मुझे ज़्यादा पता है. And I'm pretty confident about it irrespective of the results.
I consider myself that my idea will give a good fight to the other contestants.
I think I have probably an above average chance of making it to the final cut. Fingers crossed.
Who will make it to the top 10? Who will be the cream of the crop? Who will have the passion, the presence of mind, and most important, the tenacity to stay the course? We'll find out next week here on The Pitch, India's biggest business reality show. This is your host, Rahul Bose, signing off. Thanks for watching.